Hey guys, on the workbench today we have this Tokyo Marui Uzi. It's a pretty old design and it's really cool. I thought it was worth taking a little video just showing you the internals. It's a pretty weird concept. So you have a full-size Tokyo Marui motor with a custom pinion gear on the end that drives kind of 3-gear standard setup, all proprietary gears, but bevel spur and sector. The piston here gets pushed forward, so it's kind of like a reverse bolt action setup, pulling against the spring there. So the piston gets pushed forward and then released backwards, and through the center is the inner barrel. So the hop chamber acts as a cylinder head, and that funnels the air down these little channels on the side into an air nozzle, which is just in here. That's the kind of that's the tappet plate essentially that's connected to the air nozzle, and the air nozzle reroutes the air from the two side channels down the middle and through the barrel. So yeah, it's a really cool kind of setup. It's actually surprisingly easy to work on. This one has had a full service, a new hop rubber, a PDIW hold, and a flat nub to go in there. So that's going to work really well. We're going to give it a little simple Perrin MOSFET just to protect those trigger contacts, and then a custom 3D printed steel trigger, which is one of the most common issues with these, the trigger bar breaking. So yeah, once we have that all finished, it's going to go out, and yeah, I think this is actually going to be a pretty nice little setup. So yeah, there you have it, the Tokyo Marui Electric Uzi. Yeah, any questions, chuck them down below, and I will see you next time.